south. This country has it all. Ecuador is our next stop, sitting right on the Earth's equator. Welcome to today's episode of Worldly Treats with No Meats. Ecuador is a small country on the northwest coast of South America. Named after its location on the equator, the nation's name in Spanish is literally Republic of the Equator. It is only about 280,000 square kilometers, which includes the Galapagos archipelago, 900 kilometers offshore. Originally home to various people groups, it soon became part of the Inca Empire. Ecuador was originally discovered by Spaniards who hiked over the Andes Mountains. Soon after, Spanish rule had covered much of South America, including Ecuador. The land was first part of Peru, and then the viceroyalty of the New Granada. Struggles for independence started as far back as 1820. Ecuador was one of the 4 modern-day countries that was part of Gran Colombia. There was a war for independence and a long and hard struggle against Spanish rule. Today, Ecuador is a Spanish-speaking nation, making it part of Latin America. Ecuador is a varied land, including coastlines, tall mountains, and Amazon jungles. Located within the nation is Cotopaxi, one of the world's highest active volcanoes. The capital city is Quito, and much of the nation's 16 million people live there. For this you will need 1/8 of a cup of oil or butter, 1/4 of onion minced, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic minced, a pound of potatoes, 2 cups of water or stock, a 1/2 cup of milk, salt and pepper to taste, a 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 3/4 of a cup of corn. Heat the oil or butter over medium heat in a large pot. Add the onion and garlic and saute until the onion is cooked down and translucent. Stir in the potatoes, water or stock, milk, salt, pepper, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 20 minutes and then add the corn. After that, simmer again until potatoes are falling apart, about 20 to 25 minutes more. Mash potatoes up a bit with the back of a spoon and thicken the soup, leaving it a little chunky. Remove the soup from the heat and stir in the cheese. Add seasonings and serve immediately. A little bit warm but very tasty. Flavors mushed together really good. Got a strong garlic flavor when minced with the potato, it's good.